All right, so what we got going on today is we've got the MS 462C 24-inch bar skip. Is the race chain I had on the Echo right there. And then what I also have for our viewing pleasure tonight is the 500i 28-inch bar, full house, full chisel, which, by the way, my buddy over at Rocky Mountain Chainsaws, Jeremy here, he has a couple of these that he's trying to get rid of. So if you need to get a hold of him to get one of these, he has them. He has 5 available. What we're going to do is try to run this race chain and see how much better it looks and does on the 462 than it did on that Echo. That Echo is a 620p. So what we'll do first is we'll get this 462 fired up, and then we'll run this 500i. Cold start completely. Foam stock, except for it has the West Coast Dogs and the West Coast Bark Box. Both of them have the exact same bark box from West Coast. Nothing special. I super like them. Some people don't because they say they just make a lot of noise. And you guys took a tumble, so that was probably pretty awesome. I bet that felt good on your guys' end, Now we'll run that 500i cold start completely. We'll pump it a couple times. So we've got these two. Now 28-inch bar, full comp on the 500, and 25-inch bar, aka 24. I had to do some splicing on this chain because Echo's retarded. Their 24-inch bar is 81 driver and still is 84. So I had to do some splicing to make this work on here. So not super awesome. For being full skip, I think it runs pretty quick. This one should be going off to Rocky Mountain Chainsaws for some of their saws and test runnings. There's that 500i. Like I said, Jeremy has 5 of those available. And the 462. I do love these two saws.